How to use Transform tool in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new layer by clicking File, New, or simply Ctrl+N. Adjust its size. This time we are going to use the unit, inches. We are going to make a landscaped legal size layer. Its size is 13 by 8.5. Always make sure that the resolution is 300. Open an image by clicking File, Open, or by simply pressing Ctrl+O. Look for the image you want to resize. Double-click. Transfer the image by dragging it into your created layer. Click Edit, Transform, Scale, or by simply pressing Ctrl+T. Drag the corner of the image to resize it. Double enter to finalize the resizing of the image. If you want to save it as image, press Ctrl+Shift+S, select JPEG and click Save.